Hello my tiny tots. Good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. Myself, Reena ma'am. In last session, we did revision of seasons. Today, we are going to play a quiz related to seasons. But before that, we will do a quick recap.
Winter season. Winter is the coldest season of the year. In this season, we feel very cold. So, we wear warm clothes. We wear sweater, woolen cap, jacket, muffler, gloves, and woolen socks to protect ourselves from cold. In winter season, days are shorter and nights are longer. Christmas also comes in winter season. We get so many fresh vegetables and fruits in this season. We should eat dry fruits in winter season. We should drink hot soup and yummy hot chocolate. Spring season. Spring is the season which arrives after winter and before summer. During spring season, days become bit longer and weather become pleasant. यानी दिन थोड़े लंबे होने लगते हैं और हवामान खुशनुमा हो जाता है. We start wearing lighter clothes after long period of chilling winter. स्प्रिंग सीजन में नए फूल खिलते हैं और पेड़ पर नई पत्तियां उगती हैं. Summer season. It is hot season. In this season, we feel very hot. So we use fan and AC. We wear cotton clothes in summer season. We wear hat or cap to protect ourselves from heat. We also wear sunglasses when we go out. We eat different types of fruits in summer season. Monsoon season. Monsoon season comes after summer season and before winter season. It rains in monsoon season, so we also call it rainy season. इस सीजन में बारिश होती है, इसलिए हम इसे रेनी सीजन भी कहते हैं. During this time, the sky looks cloudy with heavy black clouds. Everywhere there is sound of lightning and thundering. आसमान में बिजली चमकती हुई दिखती है और उसकी आवाज़ भी हम सुन सकते हैं. We love eating corn in this season. We can see rainbow during this season. There are 7 colors in rainbow. In monsoon season, children like to play in rain. In this season, we wear gumboots, carry colorful umbrellas, and long raincoat. Peacock enjoy dancing during the rain. Not only children, young and old people like this season.
These are 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer and monsoon. So let's sing a song for these seasons.
4 season song. Let's sing together. What's your favorite season? What's your favorite season? What's your favorite season? What's your favorite season? I like spring. I like spring. Flowers bloom. Flowers bloom. I like summer. I like summer. I like summer. It's hot outside. It's hot outside. I like summer. I like summer. I like summer. It's hot outside. It's hot outside. What's your favorite season? What's your favorite season? I like winter. I like winter. I love the snow. I love the snow. I like spring. I like spring. I like summer. I like summer. I like winter. I like winter. I love four seasons. What's your favorite season? What's your favorite season? I love monsoon. I love monsoon. I love monsoon season. I love monsoon season. I love monsoon season. I love four seasons. I love four seasons.
Children, now get ready for the quiz of seasons. I will show you some pictures. मैं आपको कुछ पिक्चर्स दिखाऊंगी और आपको पहचानना है कि वो कौन सी सीजन के रिलेटेड है. ठीक है?
There are two pictures. बच्चों, मुझे बताओ इसमें से स्प्रिंग सीजन से रिलेटेड कौन सा पिक्चर है? टेल मी. यस, ब्लूमिंग फ्लावर्स स्प्रिंग सीजन के रिलेटेड है क्योंकि स्प्रिंग सीजन में नए फूल खिलते हैं, है ना? नाउ सी दिस पिक्चर. इनमें कौन सी चीज़ हम विंटर में पीते हैं? यस, हॉट सूप. गरम गरम सूप हमें विंटर में पीना अच्छा लगता है. अच्छा बच्चों, बताओ तो इनमें से किसका यूज़ हम मॉनसून सीजन में करते हैं? कम ऑन, हु विल टेल मी फर्स्ट? यस, अम्ब्रेला. अम्ब्रेला का यूज़ हम मॉनसून सीजन में करते हैं, है ना? अरे वाह, ये तो मेरी फेवरेट चीज़ें हैं. पर बच्चों, बताओ तो ज़रा इनमें से कौन सी चीज़ हमें समर में खानी अच्छी लगती है? यस यस, ये आंसर तो सबको पता होगा, है ना? करेक्ट आंसर, यम्मी यम्मी आइसक्रीम. गर्मियों में हमें यम्मी यम्मी आइसक्रीम, ठंडी ठंडी आइसक्रीम खाना अच्छा लगता है ना बच्चों?
Now it's time to solve the worksheet.
In this worksheet, you had to match the seasons with their appropriate pictures. Let's see the first picture. First picture is of monsoon season. What do we use in monsoon season? Yes, umbrella. So we will match it with umbrella. Next picture is of a summer season. What do we eat in summer season? Yes, yummy yummy ice cream. So we will match it with ice cream. Next picture is of a spring season. In spring season we see beautiful flowers. So we will match it with flowers. Last picture is of a winter season. Children, what do we wear in winter season? Yeah, jacket. So we will match it with jacket. Children, have you done like this? Very good.
Bye bye children. Take care.